Hi, I'm Melody. I am going to make some coleslaw for dinner tonight. So I have my ingredients are out here. I have sugar, pepper, lemon juice, white wine vinegar, salt, mayonnaise, and I got just some already shredded cabbage mixture, coleslaw mixture from the grocery store. So I usually do it, I use my food processor and grate that. A small head is what I believe this will come out to be. So, but to start with, this is I use my little card, my recipe card. So I need a cup of mayo. So get a cup of mayo. I need my spoon. Cup of mayo. Get a cup of mayo. And this recipe, I like to have a somewhat sweet and little sour, but lots of pepper, you'll see, in my coleslaw dressing. And this is the mixture, just I like it the best. But you'll have to try it and tell me if you like it. But everybody I've served it to, that's their favorites after they've tried it. So I get a cup, and I'm like not always exacting, but a cup of mayo. Get that in there like so, and that is done. Move that over here. Okay, next is 2 tablespoons of, let me read it. Did I write 2 or 3? 3 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, it says 3. Yep. 3. Okay, so 3 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 of those. And then I prefer white wine vinegar, but you can use apple cider as well. But I prefer the white wine vinegar. And this you need 2.5 tablespoons of. Get this going, and okay, that looks like a tablespoon, and 2, it said 2 and a half, 2.5, so, and that's about a half. There we go. And I always move things off to the side here, so, or actually, usually I just put them away, and then I know I'm done with that. So, so 2.5 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, then half a teaspoon of pepper. Oops. Half a teaspoon of pepper, and a half a teaspoon of salt. Yeah, half a teaspoon of salt. Don't need that, and need that. Okay, and then last, before we add the cabbage, is 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I just use the, what is it, concentrate or whatever it is, 100 from concentrate. Okay. 1.5. 1.5. There we go. Put that over there, that's dirty. And then we mix this together. Get it smooth. There we go. There we go. That's smooth. Get these into the sink. And now this says it's already pre-washed. So usually as I said, I normally use my food processor and shred the cabbage, but I'm just going easy on myself tonight. So usually I pick out the if there's big chunks, I'll probably need to cut them up because that's a little big. So put that in and pull out some big ones that I might want to chop up later because these pre-cut ones tend to be a little big and they don't always get it right. Same thing with the food processor. I get the same results where some of it's not perfect. Here we go. Well, since it's like really full, I'm going to stir this first and then add more. When as it sits, I like make this at least a couple hours before. Well, I've done it an hour before, but I like to do a couple hours or so before I'm ready to serve, because then that vinegar and lemon juice gets to working on the cabbage and wilting it, so it tastes really good. And it will shrink down a little bit due to that wilting of it, but it will just make it so delicious. But yeah, there we go. Oops, no, not much. Okay, but here we go. And sometimes I'll need to, if I made really a lot, I will need to make double the recipe. But for just one small head of cabbage, usually this amount will work just fine. As I said, it will reduce a little bit, you know, the wilt. Also, as it's marinating for the couple hours, I do come in and stir it, like, you know, every half an hour, or every hour. I just try to get it stirred a couple times during the time period that I'm letting it marinate, so it keeps it incorporated. But I don't like a whole lot of sauce on my coleslaw, and I don't like it too sweet, and I don't like it too sour. Just right. But I do like a little bit of, you know, pepper more than most people, and I think that's really what sets us apart, that people really get that kick out of it, that they say that they really like it. So, but, now, so it's almost done here. I'm going to put the lid on this, but I will show it to you. Let me bring it up to the camera. But here is my coleslaw. It is scrum delicious. Well, thank you for making coleslaw with me. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up if you like, and any comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.